Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Kylie Passenger, with my sister here. Hey Tasha. Hi. And my non-shirt brother. And we'll keep you updated about this, but we do have a mama bird. She's not in the nest right now. I scared her out, but guess what?
There's eggs.
There's eggs. Oops. Ugh.
I think we're going to I want to see them.
There's 4 of them.
There's 4?
Yeah, about 4 of them. I don't know if this.
There's 4.
Okay.
There's going to be a mama.
I don't know.
There's a mama bird.
Can you see them? There's little. You see those little 3 dots right there? That's it.
I want to see.
Can you see them on camera, Tasha?
Can I see? No. We're going to see them in real life. Say bye, guys.
Hershey. My sister's gonna look them right now. My sister's looking at them. We'll keep you updated. We'll keep you updated. Probably next video we'll see.
God, those are warm.
Next video we'll see if next video will be tomorrow or next week. We'll keep you updated if the eggs hatched.
Say this weekend probably.
This weekend probably. We'll check again, but who knows?
Bye, guys.
Peace out. Good boy.